Hey Super Cruisers, it's Kevin and Frank from Cruising with Wheels.
And welcome to your Tuesday Tip of the Day. It's the luggage dilemma.
That's right, today's tips are all about luggage for your cruise. So let's get started. Like, don't overpack. Don't pack for a month if you're going on a 5, 7, or 10-day cruise.
That's right. Don't break the bank buying a whole new wardrobe. Incorporate just a few new items to your packing list.
Don't be a pack animal, hauling around massive amounts of luggage.
Keep your luggage to a minimum. You're not going on the Titanic, you know.
You know, y'all could be like Frank and create a luggage list of necessities. And you should reassess that list constantly.
Bringing extra luggage can cost you more in airline fees.
Buy a travel luggage scale and bring it with you. Don't just leave it at home for when you're weighing your luggage there, because you're going to have to weigh your luggage before you leave the cruise.
That's right.
Avoid those overweight bag fees.
Keep a tote bag or carry-on with you at all times with your can't lose items when you board.
Right, and be as organized as you possibly can. You can use tools like packing cubes, rolling techniques, or even stuffing combos like shirts in your shoes.
That's right. Don't pack at the last minute, an hour before you have to leave.
Bring an expandable tote with you. You're going to need it on your way home for all your cruise purchases and souvenirs. Remember, your bag was full when you left your house.
Yeah.
So there were just not going to be any room in there to bring anything back.
Right. You're on a cruise. You're not a shoe salesman. Leave your 50 pairs of shoes at home. Only bring what you absolutely need.
And that's your Tuesday Tip of the Day.
Thanks for joining us for another exciting episode. And I want to remind you, make sure you're a regular subscriber to our YouTube channel. Don't just watch our videos. Hit that subscribe button and that little ding-a-ling bell next to it so you'll get automatic notifications when we go live.
But until next time,
remember to always
travel safe
and cruise often.